Alrighty then, I'm leak checking a makeup air unit today. I got nitrogen, some trace gas. Stopped at 350. It's leaking at a decent clip. I mean, that's over a half hour from 350 down to almost 325. These are water cooled. There's the condenser water, there's the condenser heat exchanger. It's a two-part repair. I got to find a leak and fix it. Then I also got to put ports in so I can measure pressure drop across this heat exchanger to determine if I got enough GPM to keep that there relief valve from opening. Anywho, see, it's pretty built up. It's got 9 fans, 3 per VFD, and then all above here are the compressor VFDs. Anywho, I found one leak. God, it's small. And God, it's in an impossible place. Let me see if I can pick this up on the camera for the video evidence. And it's 12 feet off the floor, of course. So, there's my black X's. That marks the tube. So let's see. Looks like all my bubbles popped away. I believe it's that one right there. Grab the micro bubbles, give it a spritz. There it is. If you focus closely on that tube, inside radius, inside bend, what goes into the tube sheet, there's your leak.